Hey, what's going on, loves, and welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef Mani. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and also the post notification bell so you know when I'm dropping new weekly recipe videos and also new content. So in celebration of the new Chinese New Year, we're going to go ahead and make some beef and broccoli. When I say it's fast, delicious, takes no time at all, we're going to get straight into it, y'all. Boom. So yes, I already took the liberty of marinating my flank steak that I used, that I sliced up with ginger, garlic, salt, pepper, also garlic powder, onion powder, sesame oil, and soy sauce. Yes, so we're going to take that. We go straight into the hottest pan ever that we can use. We got that beef marinade, and I'm telling y'all, this is so quick. You're just gonna be like, oh my gosh. So we're just letting our beef basically just saute down in its own juices and its own marinade at this point, because we want the tendons and also the muscles and the meat to break itself down so it becomes super tender. As you see, I'm taking it and I'm adding in the rest of the juice from the marinade, just so I don't have to add any water at this point and dumb it down. I just want to keep all the flavors from my marinade and also what the meat is releasing in the pan before I add a touch of water. So it's just straight marinade and the juices that is releasing from its own self. So yeah, that looks so good. I took the liberty of adding in maybe like a tablespoon or two of beef broth. No, guys, this is not a beef stew, but you kind of do your beef the same way that you would do it if you add a little beef broth and then water and just let it stew down until the meat becomes tender. But you see that garlic in there, that ginger. Oh my gosh, y'all. Later, same thing. We just continue to break down the meat. It's starting to get a little bit thicker, as you can see, as you can tell. It's looking so freaking delicious. I'm telling you, I cannot go wrong with this beef and broccoli stir fry, or whatever you want to call it. Beef and broccoli, y'all, this is the bomb. I'm telling y'all, look at that meat. Look at that gravy that's just sitting on the bottom of that. Perfect. Bam. We're taking that in our broccoli, because it can't be beef and broccoli if we don't have broccoli. So we're going ahead and toss in our broccoli at this point in a raw state, because the steam from my pan and also the heat from the meat and the juice is going to make sure and ensure that the broccoli breaks itself down. So when you eat it, it's just going to be the perfect broccoli and beef that's going to be a combination in your mouth, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I'm just fat right now. I just want some. I want to jump through the video because it's looking all so good. And I just let this sit for like maybe 2 to 3 minutes before I poured it out my pan and I garnished it. And y'all, telling y'all, here we go. Boom, bang, bow. Doesn't that look like some delicious type of stuff? So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. God bless. Thank you.